As a manufacturer, you want your production to run smoothly. Ideally, every product running down the line can be sold on the market. So, you set up your production processes accordingly, build in safety measures, and include a coding and labeling system. What could possibly go wrong? Hi, I'm Adem Kulauzovic, Director of Automation at Domino, and I'm sure I'm not breaking any news saying basically everything can go wrong now. Prints that are blurred or incomplete, are not readable, or just misplaced, all result in products being scrapped, creating cost and waste. Manual inspections can help, but how many products are wasted before action is taken? Or if errors occur at random, when and where will they be detected, and what trouble can they cause? Let's look at this example. If you're producing 600 products per minute and your quality check interval is, say, 15 minutes, worst case, you have 9,000 products wasted before the next inspection. And are you sure to catch that error then? Have a quick look at these codes. Did you spot it? Now have a look at these. No chance for your eyes to say they are correct or not. You may think overcoming that will be a large task, but there's an easy fix to this. Installing Domino's R-Series vision inspection systems ensure every single code is checked. Issues are noticed immediately and actions can be taken, so you can catch the error before it becomes a statistic in your efficiency or a damage to your brand. The R-Series vision inspection systems are designed and optimized to work seamlessly with Domino printers in your production line, providing you with a complete solution for your coding and marking process from just one supplier and a single point of contact to make your life easy. Let's have a look at how Domino's vision systems can benefit your production. For basic protection, they can check the print is present and at the right place. Advanced features ensure readability of machine-readable codes, and with optical character recognition, check that the content of your code is correct. For demanding and high-speed applications, our R-Series iTech vision systems can connect multiple camera systems. For large field and web applications, Domino can capture and validate printed codes utilizing our 2K line scan cameras. If you need to ensure barcode integrity, our advanced barcode package allows you to grade machine-readable codes following the ISO and IEC standards. Sounds great, but I bet you're not convinced this is simple to implement. Don't worry. Here at Domino, we want to take work off your shoulders and make your life easy. An extensive range of pre-configured cameras and lighting, brackets for line integration and operator view modes for simple proofing of all labels, all ensure our vision systems are up and running with minimal configuration needed. With Domino's R-Series vision systems, we can ensure that every product leaving your production line has a printed and legible code. But we don't stop there. From our R-Series code validation systems to our automated message label management software, Domino Automation, all the way to our remote cloud monitoring systems, here at Domino, our focus is to deliver solutions and capabilities that go beyond the printer, helping you drive efficiency and reduce waste. To learn more about our Code and Check solution, get in contact with us. We're happy to hear from you.